Hello guys, welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will be showing how to add echo effect on TikTok. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. So right here we will do a sample. We will take a video to add some audio effect. And then after you taking a video, you can see at the right part of your screen all the effects that you're going to put on your video. So for example, right here, you can see the audio editing. So tap on that. Then at the bottom, you can see here all the audio effects that we're going to use on your video. So for example, I will scroll it right and you can see all the effects right here. But for this video, we will use this echo effect. So when you tap on that effect, the audio on your video will be echoing. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.